elephant. Alrighty, so you're going to want to make sure that your towel is laid out landscape in front of you. Landscape. That's it, so long ways. Okay, perfect. Okay, so the first step is you're only going to fold in just a small inch from either side, long ways inwards. So just a small inch, long ways inwards on both sides. Just a small inch, that's it. Alrighty, so once we've folded in those sides, just the long sections, the landscape sections, the long sections, then you're gonna roll inwards from both of the short sections so that it looks like this. So you've got your landscape towel, you've folded in on the long sides of the towel, just a small inch, and then you're gonna roll the towel from the shorter sides inwards on both sides so they meet in the middle. And once again, once you've reached that point and you've rolled in your towel so it meets in the middle, you're going to fold your towel in half so that it creates 4 legs. Yay, there you go. Awesome, good job. So you're going to have your 4 legs. Perfect, and it should stand up. Okay, so yes, then fold in your towel so it has its 4 legs, and then you'll be moving on to your smaller towel, alrighty? So once you've made your legs, you're going to move on to the smaller towel. So just fold your legs in half once you've rolled them in nice and tight. Excellent. Alrighty, so with your small towel, what we're going to do is, as you can see, what Freddie's doing. So take a look at Freddie. Freddie is holding the towel from either corner in both hands, and then he has put the center of the towel from the top in his mouth, just to be able to roll in the corners. So you're going to kind of roll it in a triangle kind of motion. Yes. So you might need somebody else to assist you with this one if you are unable to do it yourself, but you're rolling it in nice and tight. Okay, so you're holding the towel from either corners. Place the towel in your mouth if that helps, just so that you create that point, and then you're going to roll in the corners so they create like a V, like a triangle. So you're rolling them downwards until they meet in the center. This is going to create your head. And your ears as well. Kind of looks like a carrot when you're done. And then you can fold the ears so that they face upwards to create your elephant's head. The tighter it is, the better the hold of the head. The tighter you roll it, the better the head is going to hold together. And you've created your tiny little elephant. That's it. So you're folding the ears outwards so that it kind of keeps it in place. Good job, everyone. I'm seeing.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain, Dream Speed Voltage, and I want to share with you some information about the savings and weather donations. The savings contribution